Hi YouTube, Tim Unkert here. In this video, we're going to install PHP 8.3.8 on a Windows laptop. First thing you need to do is open up a browser here and go to php.net. Okay, and then once we get to php.net, we're going to click on this download button. And we want to go to where it has PHP 8.3.8, go to Windows Downloads. And we're going to go down here to the thread safe and download this zip file. I'm going to let that download and I'll come on back once that's done. Okay, once that's downloaded, I'm going to open up my downloads folder here. Downloads. And we're going to go here and we want to extract all. I don't need to show it. Let me just extract it. Okay, once we've got that extracted, I'm just going to actually right click, go to show more options and rename it, just make it a little bit shorter. You don't have to do this, but I'm going to rename it. And then I'm going to take this and do Control C to copy. And then we'll go to this PC, click on that, go to Program Files, and we'll click the clipboard here to paste that in. And we're going to have to give administrator permission. So I'm going to click Continue. And you'll see we have PHP 8.3.9. And what I want to do right now is right click on this and click Copy as Path. Then we can close this stuff out here. And if I go down to my search bar, I'm going to search for environment variables. So I'm going to click on Open there. And we'll then click on environment variables. And down in system variables, I want to highlight path, click Edit. And then I want to go up here and click New. And I want to paste that in. And I just need to take away the quotes surrounding the beginning and ending of it. And then I'm going to click OK. Then OK. And then OK. And now to make sure that we have PHP installed and set up on our computer, I'm going to type CMD for command prompt, click open, and I'm going to type PHP-V, wait a sec, and we'll see that we have PHP version 8.3.9 installed on our Windows computer. That's all you need to do. Now, if you want to run a local server in a folder, let me just make a directory here. Let's do mkdir, do a test, cd into test, and then I'll do php space dash capital S local host 4000. And there we go. So now we've got PHP running there. If I want to stop that, I'm just going to do Control C to stop the server from running. So that's all there is to it. Hopefully this video was helpful to you. If it was, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.